Hello dear students, so today we will be discussing on some circuit related questions related to capacitance here. So in case of that solving that equivalent capacitance, so they are giving, they are arranging that capacitors in a random aspect. So they are arranging in a series as well as in a parallel. So first my primary duty is to all the capacitors I should make to simplify in a series, or I would like to simplify in a parallel combination. So I have to simplify the circuit in a such a manner that all the capacitors should be in series or all the capacitors should be in parallel combination. In that combination, if I arrange means I can able to get that equivalent capacitance between those 2 points. So if you solve the numericals, then you may come idea about to solve that circuit related questions. So let me read out the questions. 3 condensers of capacity 4 millifarad, 2 millifarad and 3 millifarad. So here 3 capacitors are there whose capacitance is 4 millifarad, another one is 3 millifarad and 2 millifarad here. So 3 capacitance are there, are connected such that 2 millifarad and 3 millifarad are in series combination. So 2 millifarad and 3 millifarad are in series combination. So look at here. For example, 3 millifarad. So for example C2 and this is C3. 2 millifarad and 3 millifarad are in series combination and 4 millifarad is parallel to them. So 4 millifarad is parallel to these two. So this is series combination. So next one is 4 millifarad here. So this 4 millifarad is parallel to these C2 and C3 here. So 4 millifarad is parallel to, so 3 millifarad and 2 millifarad they mention. The equivalent capacitance of the combination is, so I would like to consider that equivalent capacitance between these two. What is the nature of combination between C2 and C3? So end-to-end connection means it is series combination. So C of S is equal to C2 into C3 divided by C2 plus C3. For example, C2 value is how much? 3. C3 value is how much? 2 here. C2 plus C3. 3 plus of 2 here. So C of S is equal to 6 divided by 5 here. What's the answer here? 6 by 5 here. So that is millifarad here. Now look at here. Instead of these two capacitor, I got that equivalent capacitance. So instead of two capacitor, I got that single capacitance. So that single capacitance is C of S. What its value? 6 by 5 millifarad here. Now look at here. What is the nature of combination between 6 by 5 microfarad and 4 millifarad here? These two are in parallel combination. Now look at here. Now C5 and C1 are in parallel combination. So what is the nature of combination between C5 and C1 here? These two are in parallel combination. So C of P is equal to C of S plus of C1 here. So what's that C of S value? 6 by 5 here. What's that C1 value? 4 millifarad. So 6 plus of 5 into 4 divided by 5 here. So 26 by 5. So 5 point something. So 1 instance. So that is 5.1 here or 5 point something. So 5 millifarad here. So what's that answer here? 5 millifarad, near to 5 millifarad here. So 26 is there, or you may take it as a 5.2 millifarad here. So so here that, so then, so that is 5.2 millifarad here. So what is that answer here? 5.2 millifarad here. So hope you're understanding here. So next we'll look at the next one here. Okay, we'll look at next one. Effective capacitance in microfarad between A and B will be. So they given one circuit here. So in that given circuit, I want to determine that effective capacitance between 2 point here. So this is 2 microfarad. So this is also 2 microfarad. And here 12 microfarad. And here also 2 microfarad. This is point B and this is point A. So now my intention is to determine that effective capacitance between the point A and B here. Sorry, one second. So effective capacitance between B and A. Now look at here. So just I will rearrange this circuit here. So what is the nature of combination between 2 and 2 microfarad here? So it is connected between two common points. So that is nothing but a parallel combination. Or I shall rearrange here. Shall I rearrange? Instead of connecting here, I will connect here. So to avoid the confusion here. So now look at here. What is the nature of combination between 2 microfarad and 2 microfarad? So that is parallel combination. C of P is equal to 2 plus of 2, 4 microfarad. So instead of two capacitance, I got that single capacitance here. So its value is 4 microfarad. Now, what is the nature of combination between 4 microfarad and 12 microfarad here? So look at here. So is it series combination, end-to-end connection? So 4 into 12 divided by 4 plus of 12 here, 48 divided by 16 here. So that is 3. So 3 microfarad here. So instead of two capacitance, 4 microfarad and 12 microfarad combination will be 3 microfarad. Instead of writing two capacitor, I got that single capacitance value. So its value is 3 microfarad. Now, what is the nature of combination between C of S and 2 microfarad here? These two are in parallel combination here. So if these two are in parallel combination means C dash of P. So final value. So I said that all the capacitors should be in series or should be in parallel. So I got that all the capacitors in parallel combination. So 3 plus of 2 here. So 5 microfarad. What is the nature of combination here? Nature of combination is 5 microfarad here. So now look at that next one. So just you will make that all the capacitor must be in series or it must be in parallel. If you arrange like so, then only you will get that effective capacitance between the 2 points here. Okay, we'll solve some more numericals. Okay, in the given figure, each capacitor is equal to 45 microfarad here. So they given one circuit here. In that circuit, each capacitance value is 55 microfarad. Then equivalent capacitance between the A and B will be. So which thing I need to determine here? Equivalent capacitance between the point A and B here. The given capacitance like so, each value is 45 microfarad. 45 microfarad here. They connect like so. So most of the time, so you need to rearrange that circuit here. So for my simplification, so they asked to determine that what is the effective capacitance between the point A and B. So they arrange like so. So here one common point is there. Let me take this is C and this one is D and this one is B only. You can take this is B. Now look at here between A and C. So one capacitance is there, one capacitance value they mention. This one is A and this one is C. So look at here between C and another point D, one more capacitance is there. But again D is connected to A here. So then where should I take that point D value here? So between C and D, one capacitance, one more capacitance is there. Again point D is connected to point A. Again point D is connected to point A. Hope you are understanding here. Next one, between B and D one capacitor is there. So between B and D is also one capacitor is there. But again B is connected to C. So then where should be that point B here? B I will take it here. Between D and B one capacitance is there. B and D one capacitor value. Again B is connected to C here. B is connected to C. Then what is the nature of combination between these capacitance here? So look at here. All the capacitors are connected between two common points. Or you may arrange like this. Whatever, it's my convenience. Is it parallel combination? But it seems like a series. In that first view you may thought that all the capacitors are in series, but it is not like so. So you can take that junction point here. So if you redrawn, I got that all the capacitors are in parallel combination. So 45 plus 45 plus 45. So that is 135 microfarad here. So 45 plus 45 plus 45. What is that nature of combination here? So that nature of combination is parallel here. So effective capacitance is 135 microfarad here. So now we'll look at that another question. So just I will redraw here. Okay. Can you able to solve this? So just think of it. 1 microfarad. Here also 1 microfarad. Here also 1 microfarad. And here it is also 1 microfarad. So I will choose that 2 point here. So this is point P, this is point Q. So now my intention is to find out that what is that effective capacitance between the point P and Q here. So between point P and Q means, so I will resolve remaining these 3 capacitance here. So between the point, so suppose if they given point here means it should be different answer. Here they mention that between that P and Q. So in that situation, what is the nature of combination between 1 microfarad, this 1 microfarad and this 1 microfarad? All these 3 are in series combination, end-to-end connection it made here. So end-to-end connection. So instead of 3 capacitance, I will write that single capacitance. So what is that answer here? So 1 by C of S is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by n. So that is 1 microfarad they mention. So 1 by C of S is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Okay. So what is that answer here? So that is 1 by C of S is equal to what? So 1 by C of S is equal to 1 by 3 here. So 3 by 1 here. 1 by C of S is equal to. If I take that 1, so here 3 here. So C of S, 1 by C of S is equal to 3 here. So C of S is equal to what? 1 by 3 microfarad. So what's that answer here? 1 by C of S is equal to 3 or C of S is equal to 1 by 3 microfarad. Instead of 3 capacitance, I will write that single capacitance here. Look at here. Instead of 3, I will take that single here. Why? Because they ask between that P and Q. So you should not re-alter here. So I will consider this is 1 microfarad and all the 3. So that equivalent is equal to 1 by 3 microfarad. Then what is the nature of combination between 1 by 3 microfarad and 1 microfarad? So that is parallel here. 1 by 3 plus of 1. So 3 into 1. So plus of 1. So that is 4 by 3 microfarad. So what is that answer here? Effective capacitance between that point P and Q will be. So what's that answer? Okay, we'll look at that next question here. So let me draw on the question. So the given number of capacitors here. Its value is 2 microfarad. So here also 2 microfarad. This one is 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad and 1 microfarad. So they asked to determine that effective capacitance between the point A and B here. So between A and B, for example, 1 microfarad capacitor is there. So remaining 4 capacitor I need to simplify in order to get that effective capacitance between A and B. So for that purpose, look at here. So 2 microfarad and 2 microfarad. So it is end-to-end connection. So end-to-end connection is nothing but a series connection. So C of S is equal to C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus of C2 here. So that is 1 microfarad here. Instead of writing 2 capacitors, just I will take it as a single capacitor. So look at here. Now instead of 2 capacitor, I got that single capacitor. So that is 1 microfarad here. Now look at here. What is the nature of combination between 1 microfarad and 1 microfarad? Look at here. So this point is connected to point A and this plate is connected to point A, and these 2 plates and this plate is connected to one point here. So in the sense, all the capacitors, so between that 1 microfarad and 1 microfarad, this plate is connected to this point. So these 2 plates is connected to one point and these 2 plates are connected to one point. So that is nothing but a parallel combination. All the connections are made between two common points. So that is C of P. 1 microfarad, 1 microfarad. So 2 microfarad. Instead of taking two capacitor, just I will take that single capacitor. So I will take that single capacitor here, 2 microfarad. Now look at here, what is the nature of combination between 2 microfarad and 2 microfarad? So again it is end-to-end connection, that is nothing but a series combination. C of S2 is equal to what? Again 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2. So again that is 1 microfarad. So instead of taking two capacitors, so just I will take that single capacitor, 1 microfarad. Now finally, between that A and B, I got that two capacitors. What is the nature of combination between these two capacitors? So that is parallel combination. C of P2 is equal to 1 microfarad and 1 microfarad. Final capacitance value is 2 microfarad. Between that point A and point B, what is the nature of combination? I got that. Finally, these two capacitors are in parallel combination. Effective capacitance between AB is 2 microfarad here. So now, look at that next question here. Let me draw the diagram. So between the point A and B, I want to find out that effective capacitance. So look at it, each capacitance value, let it be C here. Between that A and B, so I want to find out that effective capacitance. So in order to find that effective capacitance, already one capacitance C is there. So remaining four capacitance I want to simplify here. So for that purpose, what is the nature of combination between C and C? So that is end-to-end connection. End-to-end connection means C into C divided by C plus C. So C square divided by 2C, that is C by 2 here. What is the nature of combination here? C by 2 here. Instead of taking two capacitor, let me take that single capacitance. So its value is C by 2. Similarly, C and C, between these two capacitor also there exists a series combination. I will take that single capacitance. Here also value will be C by 2 here. So C1, C of S1 is equal to C by 2. Similarly, C of S2 is also equal to C by 2 here. Finally, what is the nature of combination between these capacitance here? So look at here. This plate is connected to point A. This plate is also connected to point A. This plate is also connected to point B. This plate is connected to point B. This is also connected to point B, and this is also connected to point B. All three capacitors are connected between two common points, so it is in parallel combination. So C by 2 plus of C plus of C by 2, it is equal to C by 2. So for my simplification, 2C by 2, C by 2 here. So C of P is equal to what? So C plus of 2C plus of C is 4C by 2. So effective capacitance will be 2C here. What is that effective capacitance between that point A and B here? Between A and B, effective capacitance will be 2 times of C here. We'll look at next one here. Okay. Let me draw the diagram. So I will consider that 2 point here. So one is point A and another one is point B. Between these 2 points, so here that capacitors are arranged in this manner. So each value is C here. Let me find out that effective capacitance between the point A and B. So now look at here. What is the nature of combination between C and C here? So look at here. One plate is connected to point A. So here one plate is connected to point B. So all the this plate is connected to this point, and this capacitance of the another plate is connected to this point. So connections are made between two common points. So that is nothing but a parallel combination. So C plus of C. So 2 times of C here. Instead of writing two capacitors, I will take that single capacitor. So its value will be 2 times of C here. Now look at here. What is the nature of combination between C and 2C? So that is series here. CS of 1 here. 2C into C divided by 2C plus of C here. 2C square divided by 3C here. 2 by 3C here. That instead of two capacitance, I got that single capacitance. So its value will be. So what's that value here? 2 by 3C here. So similarly, look at here. So these two capacitors are in a parallel combination here. Instead of two capacitors, I will take that single capacitors. So again, this is also 2C here. So Cp of 2. So this is also 2C. Then between C and 2C. So again, so it is series combination. C of S2 is also equal to 2 by 3C. So I got that 2C by 3. So between the point A and B, so capacitors are in parallel combination. So I'm simplifying these capacitance. Finally, I got that two capacitors are in parallel combination. So Cp of 3 is equal to 2 by 3C plus of 2 by 3C. That is 3. 4C by 3. What is that effective capacitance between the point A and B here? So between the point A and point B, I got that final capacitance value is 4C by 3 here.